Tlpad is a tool for TouchDesigner that lets you monitor your Mac trackpad, a Magic Trackpad, or a Magic Mouse. It captures all fingers touch information and brings it directly into TouchDesigner. When you open the project for the first time, a pop-up window may pop, saying you need to install the multi-touch support framework. This framework is necessary for Tlpad to work. Install it and restart your computer. In the project, you can access all parameters and controls in the Tlpad's parameters window. Active mode will let you change the modes when Tlpad is active. For example, on rollover, it will make Tlpad to work only when your mouse is over the viewer window. Dead zone may be important as the palm of your hand may be confused with the finger touch. When dead zone toggle is on, you will be able to determine a zone where no touch should be captured. Click threshold will let you determine with which pressure you have to touch the pad in order to recognize a touch. 0.55 usually works for me, so I can simply move my finger and see where I am on the pad before clicking with more pressure. In the finger chop values you have 3 toggles that will display more information about your touches. You can access all those values in the chop output of Tlpad's container, called fingers value. If needed, you can hide the visual of your touches simply by turning off the toggle of the view finger. Button and sliders. This is where these tools become interesting. You will be able to create buttons, slider or pressure that will immediately appear in the viewer and will react to your touches. You can then create your own UI by changing their position and size. To rename them or access their individual parameters, first pulse the parameter viewer and a pop-up window will show up. Then place your mouse over an element and press the key Alt. You will then be able to access all parameters of the element. If you want to delete an element, simply place your mouse over it and press the key Ctrl. Tlpad page will let you switch between different pads if you want to create more than one mix table. You will access all values in the dedicated chop. You can now control your custom mix table with your pads, but also with wireless Magic Mouse and jam with friends. In the Experiment Tools tab, you will find 3 more tools. If you enable the toggle transform pads and then connect a transform top, you will be able to control the position, the size and the rotation of a top. If you enable Sketchpad, a top will pop up with a transparent background where you can start drawing with your fingers. Finally, Curve Pads will let you modify a curve with your fingers. You can decide the initial shape by moving the start value and the end value, and then moving your fingers to change its form.